Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of the most asked credit card matchups, HDFC Regalia and HDFC Millennia. Whether you're someone who travels a lot, shops online frequently, or just wants solid value for money, this comparison is going to help you choose the perfect card in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one suits your lifestyle better in 2025. So let's get started. The HDFC Regalia credit card has long been positioned as a premium lifestyle and travel credit card. It's designed for high-income professionals who value premium perks like airport lounge access, travel benefits, and generous reward points. It's not just about spending, it's about spending smart and getting luxury in return. And over the years, it has evolved to include concierge services, travel insurance, global acceptance, and dining privileges, making it one of HDFC's flagship offerings. It caters to those who want a high-tier experience both in India and abroad, especially when it comes to travel, hospitality, and big-ticket purchases. The HDFC Millennia credit card is a relatively newer card tailored specifically for the millennial generation and online spenders. Think food delivery, ride-hailing, e-commerce, and entertainment. It rewards you exactly where you spend the most. Unlike Regalia, this card keeps things simple, straight cashback, no complicated conversions, and instant redemption options. The name itself says a lot. It's fast, digital, and relevant to a younger urban demographic. It's an entry-level card with solid value, and it's ideal if you shop online frequently and want to maximize everyday purchases without annual fees. Let us talk about the main features of both cards. For the HDFC Regalia Gold Credit Card, you get complimentary Swiggy One and MMT Blackgold membership as welcome benefits. You also get vouchers that are worth 1,500 rupees on quarterly spend of 1.5 lakhs. You get 5,000 worth flight vouchers on annual spend of 5 lakhs, and you get an additional voucher of 5,000 rupees on spends of 7.5 lakhs. That's huge. You also get 5 times reward points when you shop at Marks & Spencer, Myntra, Nika, and Reliance Digital. There's complimentary lounge access at over 1,000 airports. There's also the zero loss card liability and the revolving credit features. And for the foreign currency charges, you get 2% on all your foreign currency spends. Now here's more detail about its lounge access. A complimentary airport lounge access within India. You get 12 of this within India when you use this HDFC Regalia Gold Credit Card, both at domestic and international terminals. You also get the Priority Pass, with which you and your add-on member can together avail to 6 complimentary lounge access per calendar year outside India. And how about the Millennia card? The key features include the cashback. You get 5% cashback on Amazon, Book My Show, Cult.fit, Flipkart, Myntra, Sony LIV, Swiggy, Uber, and Zomato, which is great. You also get 1% cashback on all other spends. And you get gift vouchers that are worth 1,000 rupees on spends of 1 lakh and above in each calendar quarter. And most importantly, you get 10% additional discount on Swiggy Dine Out when you use this particular coupon code. Isn't that great? There are additional features that are included, like exclusive dining privileges with the Good Food Trail program. You get revolving credit features, zero loss card liability, and the interest-free credit period of up to 50 days when you use this card from the date of purchase. There's also the fuel surcharge waiver of 1% on all fuel stations across India when you purchase fuel of minimum of 400 rupees to maximum of 5,000 rupees. But per statement cycle, the waiver is capped to 250 rupees. There's also lounge access and the smart EMI. The HDFC Bank Millennia credit card comes with an option to convert your big spends into EMI after purchase. Both cards are great. Now let us talk about the pricing. For the Regalia card, the joining fee is 2,500 rupees plus GST. It is believed that you can realize the money back in some way because you get gift vouchers when you sign up. Gift vouchers based on how much you spend. 1,500 rupees if you spend up to 1.5 lakhs and 5,000 rupees if you spend up to 5 lakhs. And the list goes on. How about the Millennia card? The joining fee is 1000 rupees plus GST. And if you spend 1 lakh or more in a year, you can get this waived off the next time you're renewing. Millennia is obviously lighter on the wallets, and the waiver is easy to achieve for moderate spenders. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both cards? Let's start with the pros. For the Regalia card, it is excellent for travel and airport lounge privileges. The foreign transaction fee is low. And the pros of the Millennia card? Straightforward cashback system. The annual fee is more affordable with easy waiver. And it has modern perks for young professionals. How about the cons? For the Regalia card, the annual fee is high for casual users and the reward system can be complex. And for the Millennia card, the lifestyle benefits on this card are limited. And certain cashback has monthly caps like the fuel surcharge waiver. So what's the conclusion? If you're someone who travels frequently, either for business or leisure, you enjoy premium perks and you don't mind navigating a detailed reward system to earn big, then the HDFC Regalia is absolutely worth the annual fee. However, if you are a digital first user, you're more interested in cashback from everyday purchases like groceries, food delivery, fashion, and cabs, then Millennia is a better match. The fee is lower, the rewards are more direct, and the usability is simple. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Millennia card, HDFC Money Back Plus credit card, and Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.